Now you can see it is raining, and if the water is enough and the chameleons are well hydrated, look what they do. They do not sit in the rain. They actually hate it. They expose themselves to rain only if they are extremely thirsty or if they cannot escape it. But otherwise, they find a shelter and stay in a shade so that the rain does not affect their bodies if they do not want to get water. This is a female, and look what the male does. Actually, exactly the same. He's sitting up there in a shelter under the leaves of the mango tree and tries to escape the rain.